How to add Instagram link to your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option of share profile. So tap on share profile and you can copy the link over here. So let's tap on copy link. Now as the link has been copied, we're going to go and launch the Chrome browser on our device. Now on the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. So let's wait until it loads the page. So tap on it and search for youtube.com. Now make sure that it's in the desktop side so that you have easy access to your YouTube application and your account on YouTube. Now make sure you have logged into your account, so just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and simply select on the option of view your channel. So let's tap on view your channel option, and here you can see all your videos over here. Now simply tap on this customize channel option, and as you tap on customize channel, it will take us to the new option or new page where you can see the YouTube Studio customization section. So all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on this option of link. So under the links option, we have Instagram as well. So let's tap on Instagram and I'm gonna add the link over here. So let's add the link. So let's select all and let's paste our link over here. And as we do that, you can now just scroll down and let's see if we can save it. So let's go see over here. And as you do that, you can now just add the Instagram link to your YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.